Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Just a quick update on the glass detailing and polishing cloths that we have here at the store. Now for the last 10 years we've been carrying these 16-inch by 16-inch microfiber low pile glass detailing cloths. Great for detailing the edges, getting out any kind of smudge, doing a little bit of polishing. Great towel. Now a few years ago we were also running with a more premium cloth called the Fishscale Microfibre. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic there, we had a couple of years of supply chain issues, but the Fishscale cloths are now back in stock. These are 16-inch by 24-inch. And the reason why they are a premium microfiber cloth, not only are they low lint, but if you can see the pattern, it's got this extra kind of weave pockets, kind of like a fish scale pattern. What these extra weave pockets do is they absorb more moisture, so they pull more moisture into the cloth. So they stay drier longer, the entire cloth, but also it traps in dirt a lot more. Whereas this one here, it's more likely to sit on the surface. Here with all these very deep pockets, these interwoven pockets here, it pulls in a lot of dirt, a lot of moisture. It's a great premium cloth, and I'm happy to say they're right back in stock. And I'm going to be running them at the same price point that I was running them a few years ago when I had them. So good news for everybody. Anyway, check us out at thewindowcleaningstore.com. Bye for now.